Alright, we're back with the Litecoin daily chart. This move that we had here yesterday, as you can see, a very strong downside move, was completely predicted, right? I was just mentioning the fact that I expect price to hit a very important key level, the 47.2, which it almost reached. It was very close, but I think it will reach that level. Now, if you remember last time we've checked on the Litecoin, we saw price starting to establish itself below 53.95, and I also showed you that it closed the weekly bar below that level, below that key level, and I also said that, you know, this is not looking good. So I predicted price going further south, but not further than 47.2. Right? I mean, this particular key level is not only the previous low. It seems to be as if it's only the previous low, which would have been sufficient enough, basically. But we actually have a double technical element at this point. We have the 1618, the 1.618 Fibonacci most important projection key level. Now, where is it measured on? This is the question. So you remember that head and shoulders pattern, right? So if you take the head from the top to the bottom and you apply 1618, you find yourself right here, 47.2. So this is why I feel that this level is a big magnetic field, if you will. It will attract price to it. The question is, what is going to happen at that point? And here's what I feel is going to happen. I think price will take the previous low, maybe even penetrate a little bit, that 1.618, but only on the daily, only from the daily perspective. It may close a little bit, a few days below that level, but eventually will come back to close the week above, or the week or the month. But I think it will leave a spike here. It will just take the previous low and reverse. And at that point, I will probably go all in, aiming at 64. Right, aiming at 64 back to the upper section, because what we have here is just an interesting trading range that is building up. We have a well-established already 4 legs. Take a look, right? First, second, third, fourth, about to take the previous low, then most likely turn around and start to build up, you know, the next 5th leg, which should go all the way to the upper section again, starting with a level of 64, 61. So I mean, it's getting really interesting at this point. Although I predicted price to go further south, what I am doing is waiting to pick it up. So I really wanted to engage with that key level 47, have a nice reaction, start to turn around. That's gonna be, I think that's gonna be a very, very interesting opportunity on the upside. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. In the meantime, I wish you a great trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.